Spark kids' creativity and critical thinking with puzzles, riddles, and creative challenges. Over 80 activities provide screen-free fun. Get kids thinking with logic and reasoning activities, language and wordplay, hidden pictures and tongue twisters, and imagining and creating. Audio support helps kids solve the challenges.
Who am I? Listen as I read 2 riddles.
Keep children engaged with fun sticker activities. Ideal for screen-free fun at home, classroom brain breaks, summer learning, and more. Shop brain games and activities at www.evanmoor.com.